back to another PLANTZILLA video, and for today's vlog, this is intended for those who missed to see it and who missed to watch how did we do it. So we will be doing the air layering for our Philodendron White Knight. Yes guys, this is a Philodendron White Knight. It's just that we cannot see a lot of variegations in it. But we really aim to propagate this to see if kapag nagka-shoot siya, magkakaroon ulit ng variegation kasi nawawala yung variegation talaga while nag-a-acclimate siya. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming upload. And without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Philodendron White Knight came from Brilliant Green Garden. You may check them out on Facebook. Ilang months na to na nandito sa amin. Super ganda ng tubo niya. However, while going through acclimation, nawala po yung variegation niya. So that is super sad and we'd really love to have them back. And since we want to do propagation in a safer way, we will do the air layering for this one. This will be our potting media for our propagation today, and I so love this because it thoroughly drains the water, guys. No excess water will stay in the pot. So it's a mixture of cocoa chips, acacia leaves, meron tayong composted rice hulls, carbonized rice hulls, and konting hay. You have seen this plastic bottle, guys, and we will still be using this one kasi ito yung ginamit namin din sa Philodendron Royal Queen and it really worked. So we are still gonna use this. Pinuhugasan lang for recycling purposes. We'll just get some of the tools here. So itong mukhang chopstick na to is something that we usually use to loosen the soil. Just by the looks of the stem, guys, we aren't really that confident in cutting it. Na dire-diretso lang kasi baka hindi siya mabuhay, except kung super tanda na niya. But for this one, we can sense na bata pa po siya and nung ibinigay siya sa amin, parang shoot nga lang siya. Maganda yung tubo niya, malalaki yung mga dahon niya, super kapal. Yung problema nga lang is wala yung variegation. A lot of its roots came out na, guys, pero hindi namin planong lagyan siya ng pole. We are really planning to cut it kasi gusto naming makita yung bagong labas na shoot, baka magkaroon ulit siya ng white. And one thing that we have noticed when it comes to those vining philodendrons na nagka-climb talaga, pataas po yung mga aerial roots nila every time na lumalabas. Unlike those self-heating ones, makikita din naman natin na meron silang aerial roots na lumalabas. Hindi po ganito yung itsura nila. If you have this type of philodendron and it is going through the same thing, please do comment down below what worked well on you guys, and your comments are highly appreciated. It has been mixed a few days ago, but since palaging umuulan ng malakas, so naiwan lang to dito, guys. Wala kaming nagawang propagation. After a few days of waiting, guys, today is the day we will be doing the air layering for the Philodendron White Knight. This is a whole new experience for us kasi magkaiba po talaga sila ng stem ng Royal Queen. So, ibang-iba kasi sobrang bata pa ng Philodendron White Knight. But since naglabas na nga siya ng mga aerial roots, it is also ready to be propagated. If there are a lot of you who haven't watched that video wherein we showed how did we do it, I do hope that you will be watching this video para makita nyo kung paano namin siya gagawin since we have shown you how good the result is. We also have some Leona fiber here, guys, and for those of you who have been with us for quite some time, I know for sure that you are so familiar na gumagamit talaga kami nito ever since. So guys, on that video, when we did the air layering, eto yung kinat namin, which is the Philodendron Royal Queen. And I'm so happy to tell you na nagpapakita na siya ng sign of recovery. This is really what I love most when it comes to this technique in propagating. Sobrang bilis niyang makarecover, guys. Since parang in a way, tumutubo na siya on its own before we actually separated it from its own mother plant. Anyway guys, we have this transparent hose which is strong enough para mag-support sa kanya just in case mabibigatan siya dito sa ilalagay natin on the upper area or on the upper portion of this plant. This is just so easy, guys. So, if meron kayong plastic which is very much lighter compared to what we are using, then go for it. You may use the plastic cups. Baka meron kayo niyan. Mas maganda nga yung may cap talaga para matabunan siya and yung humidity magsistay lang doon sa ilalim niya. So, eto, i-wrap around namin siya. This is the desired area. Eto yung plano kasi naming i-cut. So, we will do the air layering here. As you can see, it's on the topmost of this White Knight, guys. That's why we really need to put a brace on it para makatayo siya on its own. And as you can see, sobrang dami ng butas nitong plastic na to. They really help a lot in draining the excess water, guys. Kasi kapag magsistay dyan sa loob and hindi magde-drain agad, may chances na mabali siya kasi nga mabigat tong upper portion na to. But guys, you can also use yung mga plastic lang, tapos itatay nyo siya on both ends if you want something that is lighter. Pero kami kasi, eto na yung gamit namin before, so we'll just recycle this one para hindi na kami gawa ng gawa. Ang importante lang naman dito is lagyan namin ng brace para hindi siya masyadong mabigatan. Kasi medyo humaba na siya ng humaba tapos hindi namin nilagay sa pole. Tiningnan kasi namin and we really waited na ilabas ulit yung variegation. To put both ends of the plastic together, we decided to staple it. And this is how it will look like after, guys. So, naka-staple na po siya. So, tinatlo na lang namin para hindi talaga mag-open. Meron pa naman siyang bagong dahon na papalabas. We really got high hopes for this one. And I do hope na kapag na-propagate namin siya and magkaroon ulit ng bagong shoot, it's gonna show the variegations. Kasi, nung time na binigay siya sa amin, guys, parang shoot din siya and meron siyang madaming variegation. I do not know if nawawala ba talaga siya because of the environment that we have here and what is really the best way para maibalik siya. But ito yung naisipan namin. We are trying to propagate this para magkaroon ulit siya ng bagong simula. And let's see for this top cut what's gonna happen, guys. Kasi hindi din ako makakasure na maglalabas ulit siya ng mga white. Pero meron siyang mga white, guys, dito sa gilid lang na cataphyls. Yun lang yung makikita nating white sa kanya. That's why we can say that it is really a White Knight. But we are not really seeing those white spots that we are aiming to see on the leaves. So this is how it will look like dito sa pinaka-bottom naman niya, guys. Medyo malaki yung butas, kaya we will be using some coconut fiber to block the potting media that we will be putting, guys. Kasi pag nilagay na lang natin siya dyan ng diretso, may chances na mahulog siya kasi nga malaki yung butas sa ilalim. So maglalagay tayo ng mga coconut fiber dito. So I can assure you, guys, that the potting media that we will be using magaan lang talaga. Etong medyo mabigat lang is yung plastic na gamit namin. But if you are not comfortable using this one, then you may find another alternative. Yung mga sinabi ko kanina, pwede kayong gumamit ng mga disposable cups and also yung transparent na cellophane lang, guys. Whatever is available, so pwede nyo yung gamitin. As long as you are doing it right, then you will get what you expect. So, ayun, guys, kinakover namin yung butas para hindi diretsong labas yung ilalagay natin dyan. So, the purpose why we are doing this, guys, para mas mapadami yung roots niya. Kasi nga, baka hindi siya mag-survive whenever we just cut it. Tapos, ito lang yung roots na meron siya. Sobrang soft po ng stem niya. Unlike those other philodendrons that are having strong stems, guys. Yung mga matitigas talaga. For this one, we have tried propagating something like this. And sobrang less yung chances of survival niya. Kaya ginagawa namin to para sure kami na okay siya once we decide to cut it. Proven na kasi namin on our end na sobrang bilis talagang dumami ng roots this way, guys. And talagang nag-work siya. So in just a short period of time, makakat na natin siya. Take a look at how big those rounded leaves are. So ito, guys, sobrang kapal pa niyan. Ayan, maglalagay na tayo ng potting media, but we have to be careful. Dapat dahan-dahan lang kasi medyo pino pa yung roots niya, guys. And super dali lang niya mabali. Kaya dahan-dahan lang kami naglalagay ng potting media sa kanya para wala tayong magasgasan kahit konti. Apart from this technique being super effective, guys, proven effective na talaga, this is really perfect For those of you who do not want to take a risk, especially in cutting your philodendrons, you want to propagate them, pero sobrang tagal dumami ng roots, parang 2 roots lang, tapos ayaw mo naman mag-risk, baka kasi hindi mag-survive. So you may try doing this para mapabilis yung waiting game nyo guys. Kasi aminin naman natin, lahat tayo gustong mapadami agad yung mga plants natin. So this is it. We are trying to put the stick guys para maging brace dito. I'm not sure if I'm describing it right. If this is not a stick, para siyang straw guys, matibay na straw or parang hose. Basta ito din yung usually ginagamit as braces of the Philodendron Bilitae. Kasi kadalasan naman binibrace yung dahon nila since naglalaylay nga habang lumalaki. He is trying to cover the holes using the coconut fiber guys. Yung coconut fiber, hindi niya nabablock yung water. But at least, etong mga potting media na nilalagay natin dito, kaya niyang i-block para hindi dire-diretsong mahulog. Lalo na kasi palagi pong umuulan. So baka every time na umuulan, unti-unti ding mababawasan yung nilagay natin sa loob. So hindi siya magiging ganun ka-effective at hindi magiging ganun kabilis yung ine-expect nating resulta from this one. We are almost done with this one, but before we finish, maglalagay pa ulit tayo ng some more coconut fiber dito sa pinakataas para maging feeling compact siya doon sa ilalim. Compact but not compact kasi makakadaan pa din yung air and yung water. It looks heavy guys, but this is really super lightweight and we really try to make sure to place it somewhere na hindi siya madedistorbo or wala masyadong dadaan-daan para hindi siya mabali. Of course, we are afraid na baka mangyari din yon. So, hinanapan talaga namin siya ng area dito sa garden para hindi siya madistorbo. And this is how it looks like on its final look. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman yung straw. Ito yung pumipigil sa kanya para hindi bumaba and para ma-carry din yung weight niya. Tapos, ito yung itsura sa pinakataas. We are really hoping for positive results when it comes to this one. Etong mga nasa baba guys, meron pa din siyang mga aerial roots but we will deal with them soon as long as makakuha na kami ng top cut dito and makita na natin if ever meron ng shoot, what's gonna happen, if it's gonna have those variegations that it lost back. So you guys, that is it for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. Thank you so much for watching and we're looking forward to share more videos with you. Bye!